YouTube channel Technical Slim. Friends, we were discussing about uh, offshore accident attorney. Next, we will move toward about the what is typical offshore accident settlement. It is that in which offshore accident attorney can help you to attain the accident settlement, and we will see the what is typical offshore accident settlement. The points about it are here on the screen. You can see. We should start. Offshore accident settlements are usually very high. It means the settlements are very high because the injuries are generally very bad. It is saying that the injury because of offshore accident is very bad and serious. So uh, 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 its settlement is very high. But because every offshore accident case involves unique set of facts and legal issues, there is no typical offshore accident settlement. It is saying that offshore accident involves a very distinct fact and the legal issues, and because of which there is no typical offshore accident settlement. This type of damages that will impact the value of your settlement include, we will see the types of damages that impact the value of settlement. The first point here is on the screen. You can see the severity of injury, and the next one, if surgery was necessary, and the third one is medical expenses, and the next one long term issues, and after it that is lost wages, and the other one loss of earning capacity, and pain and suffering. Next one is mental anguish, and the other one mental health care, and the other is disfigurement, and vocational rehabilitation, and long term care, living expenses. It means that these are the injuries about the health that damage your settlement, and these are cause of the offshore accident. Mostly from this all the health issues, and after it we see that if you have been hurt while working offshore, it is crucial that you speak to qualified attorney. It means that if you face any problem or accident on the offshore, so you should consult with ex attorney that is qualified for offshore accident. An offshore injury attorney will identify the laws that apply to your case and be able to maximize your claim. An offshore accident lawyer can provide concrete estimate of potential value of your claim. After that, the other one is, when should I contact an offshore accident lawyer? The point is valid when there is need of contacting with the offshore accident attorney. So the information is here on the screen. If you have been involved in an offshore accident, you should contact with an offshore accident lawyer as soon as possible. Make sure you do not speak with any insurance companies or lawyers representing the oil company before you have obtained your own counsel. It means he is saying that we should fastly and immediately contact with offshore accident lawyer instead of the companies, insurance companies, or the companies representing the oil. After it, the most attorneys will offer a free consultation to discuss your case. It means you can freely discuss your case with the offshore accident attorney. After it, we will see the other one point that is on the screen you are seeing. Because most attorneys are not well versed in nuances of admiralty law, it is essential that you find an attorney with significant experience handling offshore cases, successfully pursuing compensation of your offshore injuries requires a deep understanding of complex and specialized area of maritime law. A typical personal injury attorney will not have knowledge and experience necessary to take on oil companies after an offshore accident. That was the about offshore accident lawyer, the helps he can provide you. And next, we are seeing about what happens if you fall off an oil rig. That is case of also offshore accident attorney. So we should see about fall of an oil rig, what injuries and what problems appear here. Workings falling from oil rigs usually suffer severe injuries and even death, since workers often work on elevated rigs. The danger of falling into the ocean or onto the rig floor is real. While dangerous falls from oil rigs can usually be avoided if oil companies take necessary safety precautions, employers often neglect these duties until someone gets hurt. When a worker is injured or killed falling from an oil rig, negligent employers need to be held responsible for their actions. And an oil rigs, many accidents involve workers falling from heights or slipping and falling on other surfaces. For example, when working on platforms overhead, equipment and machinery can fall and strike a worker, pushing them off a platform. Other common platform hazards include missing safety harness, defective guardrails, poorly constructed structures, and accumulation of snow, ice, or water. These all the cause of accident on the offshore. And the most important one is the accident due to you can see here after accident due to oil rig. So this was all about the offshore accident attorney, what he can do for you and what are the difficult facilities. So please, for this type of video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.